Welcome. Do you have a desire to work with a reputed company? Improve your financial growth and social status? Here comes an opportunity. JMJ Housing Limited, the 12 years experienced company in real estate and construction industry, proudly introduces a new business expansion scheme called IDC, Investors Development Center, to create more reality projects. JMJ Housing Limited is an incorporated company in all legal aspects as per government norms. In this IDC scheme, you can earn fixed income through your investment, and you can earn more income through referral investments and also through buying and selling of company property. It's a chance to earn for your lifetime, even for your generations. We have 7 types of income. Own investment return. This investment will get 24% yearly returns. For example, if you deposit 1 lakh, you will get 1% every month, which is 1,000. So, you will get a total of 12,000 at the end of the 12th month. Also, at the end of the year, you will get another 12%, which is 12,000. Totally, 24,000 will be your yearly returns. This is any time higher than the fixed deposit returns. Minimum investment starts from rupees 10,000. Fee income. You have to pay 1,000 rupees as fee to join our IDC network. 70% of this amount, which is 700, will be shared within the team as per the percentage advised. For example, if you refer 20 members in your first level, you will get 60% of 700 as your first level income. That is, 20 into 420 equals 8,400. Other level income will be shared as per the percentage advised at each level in the grid. Referral investment income. The company gives 5% for your referral investment. If your referred team member invests rupees 1 lakh, 5% of their investment, that is 5,000 rupees, will be shared to the team as per percentage. For example, if you refer 20 members and each of them invest rupees 1 lakh, from the 5% return of each 1 lakh, you will get 60% as a first level income. That is, 20 into 3,000 equals 60,000. Other level income will be shared as per the percentage advised at each level in the grid. Own business income. The company gives you 1% return from the total sale value of each business closing. For example, if you're making business for rupees 50 lakhs, you will get 1% of the sale value as commission. That is rupees 50,000. If you're making a business for rupees 30 lakhs, you will get 1% of the sale value as commission. That is rupees 30,000. If you're making a business for rupees 100 lakhs, you will get 1% of the sale value as commission. That is rupees 1 lakh. Referral business income. The company gives 1% return from the total sale value of each business closing to your team. For example, if the value of the business is 50 lakhs, your team will get 50,000 rupees, which is divided as per percentage. For example, if you have 20 IDC members under your first level, if at least 10% of business closings, that is 2 businesses in a year, worth rupees 50 lakhs each. In that scenario, from the 1% return of each 50 lakhs, you will get 60% as level 1 income. That is, 2 into 30,000 equals 60,000 rupees. Other level income will be shared as per the percentage advised at each level in the grid. Yearly renewal income. This is one of the best income methods of the scheme. The company gives 50% of your investments income which you earned last year. For example, if you earned 1 crore as investment income for the last year, you will get 50 lakhs every year on the renewal of your investment. Other prizes and bonus. To be a part of our company's financial growth, JMJ Housing Limited wants to encourage our active and best performers. So, we have decided to announce cash prizes and gifts to our team IDC. The exciting prizes will be announced quarterly based on our company's growth. Fulfill your lifetime dream goals by joining us in IDC. Please contact us.